Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix video is how we can utilize the add to OneDrive instead of downloading. Every time you download, you're creating a new version of that file. So if your download folder is full of the same file saved 5 different times, this is the better way to work with shared files. Let me show you how. So add to OneDrive is going to let you reference a shared file or folder without downloading a copy. Because when you download a copy, you've just created a copy and now we have a new version of that. So this is going to make sure that there is one single source of truth and ensures that everyone is working on the same file. So inside of a SharePoint site that you often frequent, here I am in the financial records one, there is the option to add shortcut to OneDrive. If I choose to do this, it says that it's added it to my files in OneDrive. When I click on my files in OneDrive, I now have the finance operations team financial records. I can see side by side that they are the same. As you can see, I can do this in Teams as well. I'm on a human resources channel inside the leadership team. I can add shortcut to OneDrive and it has now been added to my files. And I have the ability to see it here in all of the files. If I'm working from file on my desktop, they are there as well, allowing us to get to these files. They are being shared. This is a shared file. So whoever has access to this SharePoint site has access to this file. There you have it. One file, one place, zero confusion, and a lot less clicking. Remember, small changes, quick fixes, big wins.